Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have decorated a table for two in candy canes. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called TABLESCAPE Tuesdays. Now TABLESCAPE Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now today we have a guest and it's creating with Miss K, and the theme is a Luxe Christmas. Now I have that beautiful fur runner and that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. Then I have that beautiful white and gold tree off to the left, and I believe I purchased that from Dollar General. Then we have the cardinal and we have some berries, and then we're going to move on over to the center vase, which has these beautiful white florals. And the center vase is a mother of pearl. It's so beautiful. Then we have some poinsettias on either side. On top of that, I overlaid with some little mini red poinsettias to kind of give it a pop, because this tablescape is going to be candy cane theme. Now, all of the other accessories I did purchase at Hobby Lobby, like this beautiful candy cane canister. It's like a little mini canister. So beautiful, guys. And then we have the dinnerware. So the clear salad plate did come from the Dollar Tree, and the candy cane plates came from Hobby Lobby. As the placemat, we have that beautiful mirrored placemat, and I thrifted that item. Then we have the utensils, which came from Party City when they were open. And then we have this beautiful napkin here. That was a thrifted item. And the napkin, what I'm using as a napkin ring, did come from the Dollar Tree. Now, the flute that you see there is a home goods item that I picked up at Goodwill. So that was a great buy. And then we have the water glasses, and those were thrifted as well. So we have budget friendly, beautiful, and I hope that you guys love this tablescape. Now, if you guys haven't been over to Creating with Miss K's channel, you need to head on over there. Not only do I absolutely love her tablescapes and love her styling techniques, but she does so many other areas of her home. I am loving it. Head on over there, click the like button, subscribe to her channel, leave her a beautiful comment, and let her know that I sent you. So, Kay, I hope that you absolutely love my tablescape. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. Merry Christmas, guys.